Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2026 230 Cruiser from Harris. Let's hop inside. Starting up in the bow on this 230 Cruiser, we have the luxury tungsten interior, flip down armrests. This boat has been optioned with the in-floor storage. We also have a Simrad on here, wireless phone charger, and the power bimini installed. New for 2026. We do have a wet sound audio head unit as well as speakers. Going back here to the lounger area, this is a 3-position lounger, allowing you to have it here as well as here, and then lay all the way down flat. We also have the upgraded lily pad ladder, which makes for an awesome experience getting in and out of the water.